Hello, we are Team JIB 2104, otherwise known as Team NA. My name is Suraj Karthik, and today I will be going over what we were able to accomplish these last few weeks during Sprint 3 for our project Ethereum Sentiment Analysis. We are working with Elizabeth Dworkin and Nirmal Mikala from Deutsche Bank. The goal of our project is to use news data and previous trends to predict future Ethereum prices. Together, we are creating machine learning models and a web application to do just that. Here are the goals we set out to accomplish this sprint. Our first goal was to improve our data analytics and visualization by scraping and calculating a greater variety of data, as well as creating an intuitive interface that allows users to filter through all of the data we have to offer. The second goal was to add information about our model architecture, data collection, and prediction processes to our page so that users are more informed about our application's features. The first feature we implemented was adding the ability to change the time frame of predictions that are displayed. Here is the main page of our application. Here we display the predictions of our different machine learning models. We can use the filter button located here at the top left of our chart. Using the sliders at the bottom of the pop-up dialog, we can change the time range that is displayed in the chart. Once we hit submit, the chart refreshes and shows the requested time range. The user can also zoom in and out of the chart for more control on the range of data that is displayed. The next feature we implemented was adding more points of data to our models and data visualization. Here is the main page of our application. When we click the filter button located at the top left of the chart, we are shown all of the different data points that we are able to visualize. Out of these, all but the first 4 have been newly added to the sprint. We use these additional data points to also improve our machine learning model's predictions. When we select the data that we want to visualize and hit submit, we can see that the new data is displayed on the chart. The next feature we implemented was adding an about page to our application that contained information about how we collected our data. Here is the main page of our application. Using the navigation bar, we can access the About page. In this section, we talked about how we collect our data, as well as how we convert our data that is hard to interpret for machines, such as Twitter tweets, into features that are easier to work with. The next task we completed was adding information about our models and parameters to our web app. Here is the About page of our application. In this section, we have filled out information about our models and their input parameters. We talk about the underlying machine learning concepts that our models are built on, as well as how they relate to our models in specific. The final goal we wanted to accomplish this sprint was adding information about how we calculate predictions and being more transparent about the limitations of our models. Here is the About page of our application. In the last section, we have added information about how our models use the input data to calculate predictions. We also included details about limitations of our models and how to use them effectively. As you can see, we were able to accomplish all of the goals we set for Sprint 3. Over the course of this sprint, our application grew to be more feature-rich and look more professional. Overall, I think this was a successful sprint, and we hope to keep up the momentum in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching.